Okay, so in this short video, we're going to show you how to view campaign details in Google Analytics for links which we have manually tagged. Firstly though, let's show a working link tag in action on a live site. So here's the site, and up here you'll see the URL section. There's a standard URL, and then the bit after is our link tag. So you'll also notice this is exactly the same as the example written in the blog post, and it would be used for tracking an email newsletter. You can also see while we're on this page that adding this section on makes no difference whatsoever to the page at all. It's purely a tracking tool for analytics and doesn't affect the user experience. Okay, so let's jump into Google Analytics and look for this visit. Notice I'm using the new version of Analytics, the new interface. There is an older version, but you can switch to the new one using the links up here. I recommend the new version. It's probably the way Google's going to go longer term, and it is a bit more powerful. Okay, you'll also notice I've changed the date range to select just today's date. It's just going to help us find the information a bit quicker. Right, so we need to jump down on the menu to traffic sources. Next we go into sources, and finally jump into campaigns. You'll see straight away that in this section here there's two campaigns. The first one's for an existing campaign we've got running. Second one is the Feb newsletter campaign, and you'll notice it's exactly this. It's called exactly what we put in the link tag. So if you click on this, and you'll see that the source and the medium also have pulled exactly from the link tag, email newsletter, and the medium is email. So we've had one visitor today through that, and they looked at 11 pages, spent 27 minutes on the site, and then bounce rates and that. So you could also see goals, e-commerce if you're an e-commerce site, and you've got that set up. So you'll see that it's a really good method of seeing exactly which links are leading to website activity. So for example, if you had Twitter up and running, you could tag each link with a different campaign name. So you could tell exactly which Twitter messages with links back to your site were effective and which ones were not. Similarly, if you had an email newsletter, you could put different links back to your site with different link tags, and you could work out which ones were clicked on most. Loads of different uses for this, and it's really effective, and a lot of people don't use it, and I think maybe they should.